Introduction to Computer Architecture. 1. What does computer architecture primarily deal with? B. Design and structure of a computer system. 2. Which architecture uses a single memory space for data and instructions? Von Neumann architecture. What is a key feature of the Harvard architecture? B. Parallel memory for data and instructions. 4. Which of the following is an example of RISC architecture? Answer B. ARM. In von Neumann architecture, the execution process follows which cycle? A. Fetch, decode, execute. What does CISC stand for in computer architecture? A. Complex instruction set computing. 7. What is the key advantage of RISC architecture over CISC? A. Simplified instructions executed in a single clock cycle. 8. Which of the following is not a characteristic of von Neumann architecture? Parallel instruction fetching. What is the primary metric to measure computer performance? B. Clock speed. What is the main drawback of von Neumann architecture? B. Bottleneck due to shared memory bus. 11. What does ARM stand for in computer architecture? A. Advanced reduced memory. 12. Which of the following is a non-volatile memory? C. ROM. 13. What is scalability in computer architecture? The ability to handle increased workloads by adding resources. 14. Which architecture is widely used in embedded systems? B. Harvard. 15. What is the purpose of an instruction set in a computer? C. Specify operations a CPU can perform. What is a distinguishing feature of contemporary architectures like ARM? B. Optimization for low power usage. Which of these is an example of a performance metric? Clock speed. What is the key feature of quantum computing in architecture? C. Operates using quantum bits, qubits. 19. What is the main focus of CISC architecture? B. Complex instructions with fewer steps. 20. What is the primary challenge of von Neumann architecture known as? Answer C. Von Neumann bottleneck. Which of the following best defines computer architecture? B. The functional behavior of a computer system as viewed by a programmer. Who is considered the father of modern computer architecture? John von Neumann. Which component is responsible for executing instructions in a computer system? C. Processor. What is the main difference between hardware and software? A. Hardware is tangible while software is intangible. 5. What does CISC stand for in computer architecture? B. Instruction set architecture. Which of the following is not a component of computer architecture? C. User interface. What is the primary function of the control unit? To transfer data between memory and processor. What is the main role of the ALU in a CPU? Perform arithmetic and logical operations. What does the term bus refer to in computer architecture? Be a set of conductors for data transfer. What is the significance of the von Neumann bottleneck? Memory and processor share the same communication channel. And which type of memory is volatile? C. RAM. What does Moore's law state? C. The number of transistors on a chip doubles approximately every 2 years. What is a key advantage of Harvard architecture over von Neumann architecture? B. Separate memory for data and instructions. What type of parallelism does pipelining in computer architecture improve? A. Instruction-level parallelism. Which of the following is not a characteristic of RISC architecture? Complex instruction formats. What is the primary objective of memory hierarchy in computer architecture? C. Balance speed and storage capacity. What is the role of I/O controllers in computer systems? B. Manage communication between I/O devices and CPU. What does the term fetch, decode, execute cycle describe? B. The sequence of operations in instruction execution. Which of the following is an example of secondary memory? Hard disk. What does the term bit stand for in computer architecture? B. Binary digits.